Hello and welcome. Today we have Manisha Negi with us. Manisha, congratulations for clearing your UGC NET exam in HR into 2019. It's such an achievement. How do you feel regarding it?
I think it was a very special moment for me when I cleared my UGC NET examination because I was preparing. It was my third attempt when I cleared it. So I think I shouted like anything.
Well, definitely, Manisha, we all can understand this paper is so competitive, and clearing it is such a big deal. Manisha, we would like to know a little bit more about you. Where are you from? About your education status and about your future aspirations.
Okay. Actually, I'm from Uttarakhand and I have done my post graduation in MBA and then I cleared UGC NET examination in December 2019. And now I am doing PhD from Swami Rama Himalayan University.
Well, that's great, Manisha. We would like to know
Thank you.
more about what motivated you to go for the paper. Were you interested in the teaching field? What motivated you for the same?
Yeah, actually, when I started my MBA in 2016, so I used to look my professors. So that very fascinated me. So that's why there when I thought that I have to prepare for this examination and then go for PhD and then go for academics and into teaching.
Well, that's something really inspiring, Manisha. You know what to do in your life. Manisha, as you said, you're from Uttarakhand, and considering all the tragedies that have been going on, how is that affecting your current lifestyle, or affecting you to go out for your job and the PhD that you're pursuing?
No, no, actually the tragedy, where the tragedy happened, it is, the route is 7 to 8 hours away from my home. But there is a network problem here because of that. But I think those people are suffering more, and it has been a huge tragedy there. So may God save them.
Yes, definitely. Well, Manisha, did you see a change in the number of opportunities after you cleared your UGC NET exam as compared to before?
Yeah, actually, I was very much sure when I started preparing my UGC NET preparation.
Hmm.
So I was pretty clear that I want to take admission in PhD. So there I was benefited because of this examination, and that time it had a good impact on the teachers and who took my interview there. So yeah, I would say the clearing of the UGC NET examination really helps me a lot.
Well, that's great, Manisha. Do you have any tips and tricks that you would like to share with the current aspirant students who are going to be sitting for the paper? Something that maybe you followed?
Okay, so I just want to tell the aspirants of UGC NET examination that as I started the preparation from this human peritus material only. So I would like to say that the human peritus complete everything and about this preparation, about this UGC NET preparation, and you, the aspirant, should only consider the material. Like I have done my preparation throughout preparation from the material, human peritus material, and just read it, revise it, give the mock test. They give it to you, and then it will all be done, and you will be able to clear the examination. The Personally I feel that कि सिर्फ ह्यूमन पेरिटिस ही सही है, मतलब मैंने वहीं से किया है सब कुछ, तो और क्वेश्चंस भी वहीं से आते हैं. 80 to 90% क्वेश्चंस ह्यूमन पेरिटिस के मटेरियल से ही आते हैं, तो ज़्यादा कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस मटेरियल करो, उसे पढ़ो, अच्छे से रिवाइज करो, एंड देन गिव द टेस्ट. या
Well, that's really great, Manisha. Uh, we would again, I would say, congratulations for clearing your paper, and thank you so much for sharing your experience with so many students here, Manisha. We wish you all the
Thank you
very
so
best for
much.
all your future endeavors, and again, thank you so much for taking out your time.